Well, the release of the Bollywood movie Emergency may have been postponed for now. Produced, directed and headlined by Kangana Ranaut, the political drama that was earlier slated to be released on the 6th of September. However, sources suggest that the Central Board of Film Certification, or the CBFC, is reviewing the certification of the film. Sources suggest that the new date of the release of the movie will be announced soon. Now, this delay is coming at a point amid the opposition from several Sikh groups. Political parties and Punjab-based parties like the Akali Dal have been calling for a ban on the movie since its trailer was first released around 15 days ago on the basis of a roughly 3-minute-long trailer or a teaser. They say that the film's portrayal of the Sikh community is in negative light and is hurting their sentiments. Congress party going a step further, calling for the BJP MP Kangana Ranaut to be arrested. This reaction is coming in from Punjab Congress Chief Amrinder Singh Raja Waring. He's of the view that the Punjab government must file an FIR against Kangana Ranaut and she must be put behind bars.
Emergency movie, who is behind the movie? Everybody knows that. This is a scripted story by BJP. So I must say that Man Sahab should do something. He should have registered a case against Kangana Ranaut and put her behind the bars.
Congress is scared of emergency movie because they know a lot of skeletons will fall from the cupboard, a lot of truths will come out, and they will have a lot of answers to give to the public.
ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਸਿੱਖ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਹੀ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਫਿਲਮਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹ SGPC ਦੇਖੇਗੀ। ਉੱਥੋਂ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਟ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, ਜੇ ਉਹ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਟ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ फिर वो दिखा ले।
यही इनकी इमरजेंसी में अप्रोच थी, वही माइंडसेट था। ये आज भी चाहते हैं कि जो इनका सच है वो सामने ना आए।
Now, speaking earlier, Kangana Ranaut alleged that the clearance of a film has hit a roadblock as there have been death threats that have been issued even to the members of the censor board.
कई तरह की अफवाहें उड़ रही हैं कि हमारी फिल्म इमरजेंसी को सेंसर सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया है। इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू। इनफैक्ट हमारी फिल्म क्लियर हो गई थी, लेकिन उसकी सर्टिफिकेशन रोक ली गई है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा धमकियां आ रही हैं जान से मार देने की, और सेंसर वालों को बहुत ज़्यादा धमकियां आ रही हैं। तो हम पे ये प्रेशर है कि मिसेस गांधी के असैसिनेशन ना दिखाएं, भिंडनवाला को ना दिखाएं, पंजाब राइट्स ना दिखाएं। आई डोंट नो कि फिर क्या दिखाएं कि क्या हुआ कि फिल्म अचानक से ब्लैकआउट हो जाती है। सो दिस इज अनबिलीवेबल टाइम फॉर मी एंड आई एम वेरी सॉरी for the state of things in this country.
Meanwhile, as we talk about the Delhi unit of the Akali Dal that has also sent across a notice to the censor board seeking to prevent the release of the film, with the Madhya Pradesh High Court, which is also slated to hear a Sikh body's plea seeking directions to stop the release of the film. And Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has also assured the Sikh community leaders that the state government would consider banning emergency film pending legal consultation. After this, when it comes to a delegation from the Telangana Sikh Society met with his advisor, there are many of some objections that have been raised in multiple parts of the country as far as seeking a ban on the movie Emergency.
ਫਿਲਮ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਸਿੱਖ ਭਾਵਨਾ ਨੂੰ ਠੇਸ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਈ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ, ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਹੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੋਸ ਸੀ, ਉਸ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦੀ ਮਾਫੀ ਮੰਗੀ ਜਾਵੇ। ਫਿਲਮ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਲੱਗਣ ਨਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ।
ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨੀਵਾਂ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਸਿੱਖ ਕੌਮੀ ਯੋਧਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅਪਮਾਨਿਤ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ ਐਮਰਜੈਂਸੀ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਕਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਢਾਲ ਲਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਫਿਲਮਕਾਰਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੂਰਨ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਪਾਬੰਦੀ ਲਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰ ਫਿਲਮ ਨਿਰਮਾਤਾ, ਫਿਲਮ ਅਭਿਨੇਤਾ ਤੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰ ਹੈ।
कल मेरे पास सिख डेलीगेशन, मैंने समझा छोटा डेलीगेशन है, नहीं बल्कि सारे गुरुद्वारों के मुखिया लोग जितने हैं कोर के साथ मिलकर आए हैं। वो यही कहते हैं कि भाई अब जो नई मूवी बनी है कि उसका नाम है इमरजेंसी, उसके अंदर हम सिख बरादरी को उसके अंदर बेइज्जती की गई है।
Amandeep is with us right now. Amandeep, good morning. As far as mainly the objections are being raised are just basis on the trailer of the movie. Now, many communities that have come forth and are actually seeking for a ban, they are also seeking action against Kangana Ranaut.
Well, absolutely, Amita, and in fact, from Telangana to Madhya Pradesh, several states have receiving their representation from the Sikh outfits, from the political parties to movie, but so far there is no official decision has been taken by any official authority or the state government regarding the ban of the movie, just because CBFC has not given the clearance to emergency. And in fact That is the reason. Several PIL has been filed in the different high courts, including Punjab and Haryana also, where central government has made it very clear that no clearance has been given so far. No clearance certificate has been given by the Central Board of Film Certification. So CBFC has not cleared it. So that is the reason no state government is putting ban. But yes, the Sikh outfits and the political parties are blaming BJP
Right.
as well as Kangana.
Of course, when it comes to the film hitting several roadblocks across the nation, as far as many of them are still contemplating and raising as far as legal consultations are concerned and waiting if a final clearance is given by the Central Board of Film Certification. Amandeep, thank you very much for the moment. Now, talking